Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Soul Life Earwax Removal. The Soul Life X Life Series Earwax Removal Tool features a 360-degree wide-angle camera with 1296p HD resolution, providing clear and detailed images of the ear canal. The smart chip ensures real-time and delay-free transmissions for a seamless experience. With 6 LED lights surrounding the camera, you can see earwax clearly, enabling accurate and safe cleaning without harming the ear canal. Our earwax removal tool offers a user-friendly experience compatible with both iOS and Android devices through Wi-Fi connectivity. Simply scan the QR code to download the app. The tool is equipped with an intelligent 3-axis gyroscope, guaranteeing stable and high-definition photos and videos. If you wish to save them in your phone album, please grant the app access to your album. The earwax cleaning kit includes 5 soft silicone ear spoons designed for safer ear cleaning. You'll never have to worry about scratching your ear canal again. Each ear spoon is suitable for removing different types of earwax. Additionally, the fixed spiral design securely attaches the ear spoons to the metal handle, ensuring stability during use and reducing the risk of ear scoops falling into the ear canal. Our second best earwax removal is Loiker Earwax Removal. The ear scoop are integrated with the main body, preventing the earbuds from falling off and entering the ear canal. The ear pick is made of high elastic soft silicone material, which can effectively remove earwax and prevent scratching the ear canal. Loiker Earwax Removal Tool 1080p HD resolution and 360 degrees wide-angle macro camera with 6 bright LED lights can realize clear real-time observation of every corner of the ear, allowing you to enjoy the fun of cleaning your ears. Loiker Earwax Removal Kit supports you to take unbelievably smooth and stable HD photos and videos, which makes it easier to help you see your ears. Compatible with iPhone, Android, iPad devices, connect the earwax camera through the device Wi-Fi, and start using it directly. Earwax Removal Kit has a built-in 350 mAh rechargeable battery with a 30-day standby time. IP67 waterproof grade, easy to clean with water. Wash Your Cleaner Pro by Black Wolf is a safe, effective, and gentle way to clean your ears. Our Pro version features a rubberized shell. This rechargeable, water-powered ear cleaner includes 1 ear irrigator, 1 water basin, 6 tips, and a USB charging cord. Third pick in our list is Langen Earwax Removal. This ear cleaner metal ear spoon is integrated with the main body, preventing the spoon from falling off and entering the ear canal. Additionally, it comes with 3 high elasticity soft silicone ear spoons of different curvatures, 2 each, soft and comfortable, which can effectively remove earwax and prevent scratching the ear canal. Ear cleaning tool is equipped with a 1080p HD ear camera and 6 LED lights, 360 degrees wide-angle professional wireless endoscope lens. You can clearly see the earwax in the ear canal and clean earwax effectively. The ear cameras are equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope, providing smooth and clear image transmission even during rotation. It connects to the ear cleaner and the accompanying app via Wi-Fi, with a video transmission rate of up to 30 FPS, and is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. The earwax removal kit is easy to clean with water or wipe with wet tissue after use. We have increased the air tightness of the lens to avoid the problem of blurred lenses after cleaning. Find the perfect pressure for your needs with 3 pressure settings, from a gentle clean to wax removal. Our massaging triple jet stream helps gently loosen and prevent wax buildup. Wash is water resistant and safe to use in the shower. Its flexible, compact nozzle connects to a soft irrigation tip that fits comfortably in your ear, and folds down for easy storage. Number 4 on our side is Enifer Electric Earwax Removal. Electric ear cleaner is a safe, effective, and gentle way to clean your ears. Our irrigation tool gently cleans your ears without damaging the skin to remove earwax, dirt, and debris. The electric ear cleaning system automatically cleans the ears, finding the pressure that best suits your needs through 4 pressure settings. The setting ranges include normal, soft, plush, and strong. Ear cleaning kit with 4 LED lights and magnifier, let you observe the ear canal more clearly and continuously monitor ear irrigating processes to prevent damage to the eardrum. with a wireless otoscope, provides superior clear images and videos. The 360 degrees wide-angle professional-grade lens of this ear camera creates a large coverage view to help you remove the earwax. Complete ear cleaner system includes electric earwax cleaning kit, wireless earwax camera, 500 ml water bottle, ear catch basin 1, disposable soft ear tips, absorbent ball, cleaning cloth, instruction manual. The ear wax removal tool camera has 1080p pixels and contains 6 bright lights. The 360 degree wide angle can help you see the earwax in your ear and remove it effectively. The built-in rechargeable battery of the ear wax removal tool can be charged at any time without disassembly and replacement. Number 5 in our top 5 best ear wax removal list is lead ear wax removal. This ear wax removal kit features the latest water barrier design technology, allowing you to use it in the shower or rinse it with water during regular maintenance without worrying about it breaking down. This highly effective product will save you time and help maintain the health of your ears. The ear cleaning system has 4 modes for cleaning: normal, gentle, pulse, and intensive, that can be changed with one button. After selecting the desired mode, you can begin removing earwax. The electric ear wax removal device comes with 2 types of soft earplugs that can be replaced easily to prevent infections caused by different people using them. The 5-hole earplugs are designed with 5 water streams that resemble a shower and gently clean the entire ear canal. Earplugs with 3 holes have a narrower and stronger stream of water that effectively cleans the ear canal. Be careful to avoid letting the water flow directly hit the eardrum. The ear washing kit has a substantial battery capacity of 2000 mAh and a Type-C data cable for quick and effortless charging. It enables you and your loved ones to maintain clean and healthy ears for an extended period. The ear pick and the main body of the ear wax cleaner are connected together, avoiding the risk of the ear spoon falling into the ear. The lens of the ear camera wax removal is waterproof and can be cleaned with water. At the same time, the ear wax removal kit has increased the airtightness of the lens to avoid the problem of lens blurring after cleaning. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.